Hello students, today's lesson is addition and subtraction of square roots. Before we start, you should study the following numbers. The square of the numbers from 1 till 13. For example, 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, and till the end. Now we will recall the addition and subtraction of square roots. Let's simplify together the following. Part 1. I want to add these two radicals. Radical 2 plus 2 radical 2. What shall I do? Here we must suppose that we have 1 before radical 2, and because they are the same radicals, radical 2 plus 2 radical 2, we can add the numbers outside the radical. 1 plus 2 equal 3. Part 2, we have 3 radical 5 plus 2 radical 5 equal. We must add the numbers outside the radical because we have the same radical, which is radical 5. 3 plus 2 equal 5, then the answer is 5 radical 5. Part 3, here we have subtraction of radicals, same as the addition. 4 radical 7 minus 2 radical 7. The same radical 7, then we must subtract 4 minus 2 equal 2. Then the answer is 2 radical 7. Part 4, we have 2 radical 18 minus 3 radical 50, not 75, okay? It's written wrong. We notice that they are different radicals. What shall we do? When we have different radicals, we should make the radicals in their simplest form. How to make them in the simplest form? By factorizing the numbers under the radical. 18 can be simplified by 9 times 2. And 9 is the 3 square, then the 3 will go outside the radical. For number 50, 50 is 5 square times 2. The 5 will go outside the radical also. Then we have 2 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 5 equals 15. We obtained 2 radicals, 6 radical 2 minus 15 radical 2. They have the same radical, then here we can subtract them. 6 minus 15 equals minus 9. The answer will be minus 9 radical 2. Part 5, we have 2 radical 81 plus 5 radical 36. We have different radicals. We must simplify the numbers under the radical. 81 is 9 square. The 9 will go outside the radical, and 36, the 6 square, will go also outside the radical to obtain 6. Then 18 plus 30 equal 48. Now part 6, we have 2 radical 3 plus 5 radical 6. We notice that they are different radicals and we must simplify them. 3 cannot be simplified and 6 cannot be simplified also. And we have a rule that 2 radicals cannot be added illa if they are the same. Then we have radical 3 plus radical 6. They cannot be added, so that this part is already simplified. We can't do anything. Now you should keep in mind that if we have the same radicals, you can very easily add or subtract them. But if you have different radicals, you should try to simplify them, and you can after that add or subtract them if they have the same radical. يعني إذا قدرنا نحولهم from different radicals to same radicals رح نقدر نعمل addition لإلهم. Please students solve problems 2 and 3 page 109.